guys, so today is June 10th, and if you guys are a Universal Pass holder, you guys probably know about the Universal Pass event that had happened June 9th. The reason why the video's kind of starting out like this is because the audio it's Universal
copyrighted.
So
10,000 times.
We knew was coming, but also with the amount of clips that we got, amount of shots, we were just happy that Kanani kind of faced the fear. We were able to hang out with a lot of good friends, Ohana, last night. You guys can tell this is like the first time I've literally lost my voice within our whole entire year of making videos. So if you guys are excited, or if you guys are ready, be sure to hit that like button. It was a night to remember. Disney used to do this. Please bring those
annual pass holder days,
member events back. There used to be free. You guys, it was an amazing time. It was an amazing time.
Yeah.
But for the meantime, guys, check out the Universal Pass holder event that we attended last night. Enjoy the video.
You got all these people. Everyone here. We got everyone here. Everyone here. Bacon, is today the day?
I think it is. Kaylin doesn't think so.
Chris, is today the day?
He's going in the front.
Hey, Chris, is it happening
Today it's happening? Okay, it's happening.
Please pay attention to these important instructions and precautions. Gratitude.
Come on, folks. All hats off, folks. We gotta watch. Hey, take your books, go in there. What's up, guys? What's up?
Are you sure?
Dinosaurs. A vast ocean was home to an explosion of life at the top of the food chain.
I got on, guys. I love it. It's probably gonna be my second favorite ride because, you know.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
Yes.
I love you guys so much. Thanks for helping me get on.
Third time's a charm, baby. I knew it. Third time's a charm. Yeah. Everyone, thank you so much for getting This is
I got California Screaming and Journey to Atlantis.
Guardians on Sunday.
And not Guardians.
And skydiving.
Where were you?
Filming you guys. It looked awesome, by the way.
Javier took one
Yes,
for the team, for the channel.
Front row because you weren't there.
From the looks of it, you really got pretty soaked.
Yeah. Look, I would have been mad. If I was in the front row, I would have been mad coming up I was wet. I'm not going, but everyone else helped me go on, so I'm glad I conquered one of my fears. So it's not bad. It's not bad. Splash is way worse.
That's a wrap here at Universal Studios for the Universal Pass Holder event.
We had so much fun. I danced the night away. I went on Jurassic.
Guys, you guys know how long it took for Kanani to get on Jurassic,
And you guys didn't have faith in me, but I did it.
you know, one thing I gotta say is I'm actually really proud of Kanani doing this. It's one thing for facing your fears, but another thing to do it for your supporters.
Yes, and honestly, they went on the ride with me and made it 10 times better because I wasn't scared. I had my girls next to me. I had my mans next to me.
You know what? It's literally the same exact crew that was there for the 1K celebration. Almost.
Right.
But
Yes.
minus a few others.
Yeah.
But you know, some were added into. Universal, thank you so much for, you know, acknowledging your pass holders. We just saw all of our good friends, our
We
supporters.
did. It's like a meetup, like a family meetup
Yeah.
here at uni all the time.
But before we actually leave, huge shout out to all of our good friends. The top of our heads, a huge shout out to our good Ohana. Kay, Kaylin, Amy, and Emilce.
Milsey.
Thank you guys so much for joining on in the
Bacon.
fun. Of course, our good Ohana, Crystal and Chris. Crystal, thank you so much for helping Kanani out. It was, she
And-
really needed the go power.
And Grace too, because they're both my ride partners.
And Emilce too, she sat with you guys.
Grace sat with me, Milsey, and Crystal. I sat with literally all the girls.
Yeah. You and Grace,
You and
thank you
Grace.
guys so much. Theme Park Detective,
Theme Park Detective.
Um,
SoCal Pals.
SoCal Pals.
Yes.
Who else do
Just
we
the
got?
Guy and a Girl.
Just the Guy and a Girl. Javier and Celeste.
Yes.
Universal Hector.
Universal Hector.
Can't forget about you, brother.
Mhm.
And if there's anyone that we forgot, if there's any names that we forgot, but we haven't forgotten about you, thank you guys so much for joining in on the fun. Dead tired.
We're done.
And we're gonna see you guys next time.
That's a wrap.
Peace out.